Hey, what's going on? So it's March 1st and it's the end of the month. So today I'm going to be sending out my invoices for plowing for February. So I figured I would just show you very quickly how I do that using QuickBooks Online. It's very simple to do. QuickBooks Online is not a free program. I get it through my accountant. It's normally $40, but through my accountant, it's $32 a month. So it's not cheap, but I used to do everything through spreadsheets and all manually, and this is so much easier. I punch in, I make the invoice. If I have their email address, it emails it directly to them instantly. And then when they pay me, I just make the payment on here. It connects to my bank account quickly, match them up, and it's all logged in, and I don't have to have any other paperwork to keep track of my invoices and my income and all that stuff. So I'm going to show you really quickly how this works, and hopefully I can make this a short video. I also want to say I am not sponsored in any way by QuickBooks. I pay for this all out of my own pocket, so this is not a paid review or anything like that. This is just me and my honest telling you about QuickBooks because I like it. All right, let's dive right in. All right, so here's my dashboard on QuickBooks Online. For privacy reasons, I'm not going to show you my bank account and my totals and my customers' names and addresses or anything like that. I'm going to just show you how this works, and I'm actually going to make a fake account just so I can kind of show you how it works. All right, so here's what we're going to do. So to make somebody an invoice, it's very easy. You just click New Invoice, and you can see here it sets you up with a blank invoice. So then you just select your customer and it will automatically fill in their information. But like I said, I'm gonna make a fake customer, so let's do that really quickly. So I drop this tab down and click Add New, and then I can add a name in, or I can go add details and it'll bring up the full tab so I can put everything in. So let's make a fake name. Tom Jones. And then I'm going to display his name as Jones Tom. It'll let you do it so it's their first name first or their last name first. So I have everybody in alphabetical order by last name. It's just easier to find them. And then address 123 Somewhere Drive. And we'll do anywhere, New York. I'm not even going to bother putting that in. Email address, I'm just going to type in a fake one. So Tom Jones 123 at gmail.com. That might be somebody real. So let's make one up at fakething.com. Okay, so there we go. We got a fake email, we got a fake customer. If their shipping address is different than their billing address, you can change that. So like I have some people that I plow for them here, but they live somewhere else or something, you know what I mean? Hey, if you're getting anything of value out of this right now, go down below, hit the thumbs up button, and subscribe to the channel. And when you do, ring that notification bell so you get notified when I release new videos. So let's save this, Tom Jones, boom. So now that I've got the invoice, it brings up Tom Jones, and I can put the invoice date as March 1st for today, and it will automatically add 30 days. Now I have the term set up to be late after 30 days. You can set it to be 60 days and it will automatically change that. I think that's as high as it'll go, 60 days. And then I have sometimes put this on there, due upon receipt, 2% late fee after 30 days, because that's what I charge, 2% late fee. You actually see that down here on the invoice. That's a standard thing that's set up somewhere in the settings where that automatically puts it in. So I can just say due on receipt, late after 30 days, and then that will automatically get put in. So if I have any tags, I can do that. I don't really do anything like that, but then you can put the service date, but because this is for the entire month of February, I won't do that. What I will do is right here, see, I'll just click plow, or you can also just start typing in plow and it will pop up. And then I will write February plowing. Okay, so I plowed average for everybody in the month of February 10 times. So I'll do 10, and let's say he's a $25 driveway. Then when I click off of that anywhere on the screen, it automatically calculates this. Oh, it's not a real address, so it's not working. All right, I'm gonna do it for my town. Okay, that worked. So now it added the tax, 20%. And so the $250 bill is now $270. So I can add a message over here if I want to add a message, and add any attachments if I need to send something with it, like a picture. And then I just click save and send. It also gives you the option to save and close or save and share link. Now, if I have a customer that I don't have their email address and I need to just print this and mail it, down on the bottom here, it says print or preview. So I can just click that and print or preview, and it will bring up the print screen and Tom Jones, and you can see the invoice here. There's nothing down below. There you go. But we're not going to do that. So let's close out of that, come back here, and we want to send this email, right? So I could do save and close if I didn't want to do anything, but I'm going to do save and send. And then it will bring up this, which just shows you what it's going to have. Here's the body of the email, so you can change it if you want. You could say like, oh, ba-da-da-da-da. And then it shows you what the email is going to look like on the right-hand side. And you just hit send and close, and it sends the email. And then it brings you back to your dashboard. Now, what's super nice about this is when I go to the customers tab under invoicing, so right here, invoicing and customers, there's going to be a list of customers and how much they owe me, and it will actually tell me if they've opened the email, which is really nice, so I know who's even opened it. But anyway, that is basically it. So now I'm going to go back in and delete that guy and delete that invoice because it's not real and it's going to screw up my QuickBooks. All right, so that's it. QuickBooks is super easy. Thanks for watching. If you got anything out of this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below. Subscribe to the channel if you want some more business tips, as well as carpentry how-tos and snow plowing and tool reviews and everything around my business, all on this channel. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.